Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the pound dollar did end up going up pretty decent yesterday, and when the trend is up on the weekly, monthly, daily, and 4-hour time frame, I mean, you definitely want to primarily be looking for longs in an uptrend. I was talking about how this possibly is the top of a wave five, and we possibly are going to make a much bigger pullback, which I still think is likely. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. We definitely did turn it to 78%. I need to see price make a big engulfing move, which that is a pretty big move, but it hasn't been able to engulf yet. It could possibly reject this area and just keep on going up. But if it does close below this, engulfing area, then I definitely would at that point wait patiently more for a pullback to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, probably on like the 1 hour time frame and below. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is our structure. Price needs to break and hold below that structure for me to become a seller. And I wouldn't sell just because it breaks. I would only sell after the break and then after the pullback that would come after the break of structure. Because the trend is up on every single higher time frame. It doesn't even have to do any of that. It could possibly either go down and hit that area and then go up, or it could possibly even make a higher low and just keep on going up also. I would definitely still be recommending longs unless you get a nice solid break and hold below structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.